Valentine's Day reading. For Leo, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, and the Sun. Dumating talaga din dun sa part na na-drain tayo. Whether na-drain tayo by financial, no, dahil sa relationship, na-drain yung ating strength dahil din sa relationship. We're probably, on our darkest moment, no? Dahil dito sa relationship na ito. Pero I feel like ito yung mga transformation, ito yung mga bagay, no, to transform this relationship also. Kasi we have the Sun. No, at least nakita ninyo, if you're going to look at it in a different perspective, at least nakita ninyo yung the good, the bad, and the ugly, no, dito sa inyong relationship. I feel like with the Sun in here, malalagpasan kung ano man itong mga nangyari. And it felt like magkakaroon dito ng strong foundation. Mas mabubuo, no, yung bond ninyo dahil doon sa mga nangyaring hindi magaganda. Parang you're going to turn things from negative to positive, and magkakaroon kayo dito ng yun nga, strong foundation and much deeper committed relationship. So this is your Valentine's Day reading, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.